Here's how you can block site notification on Google Chrome. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, open up your browser and here you want to tap on the three dot at the very top right corner of the screen. From a drop-down menu, scroll down and look for Settings. When you go to Settings, once again scroll down and look for Site Settings. Under Site Settings, you need to go to Notifications. Here, you could select Don't allow sites to send notification. This is not going to manually block, but it's just going to make sure not to send a notification on your site. After which, you could go ahead and make sure to select the sites from which you want to go ahead and disable notification. For that, you want to tap on the three dot options. Then you could go ahead and toggle the button off. Now, as you could see, there is no direct way to block it out. So we can just go ahead and disable the notifications. So you could do the same thing for rest of the other sites that you don't want to receive notification. Three dot, then just go ahead and select the button. You could also go ahead and select this pop-up on screen, all that, disable all of these options as well. So this is how you'll be able to go ahead and block sites notification on Google Chrome. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.